have key lime pie on a stick. So.
Welcome guests to our duplex tour from our trip to Clearwater, Florida. We thought we'd give you a quick tour of the duplex we stayed in for 10 nights for our 10-year anniversary. Here's the nice open living room with a sofa and a nice smart TV that came with access to Netflix as well as local cable. The door to the right takes you into the bedroom that had a very cozy queen-sized bed. Right off the bedroom was the only bathroom in the place, but it was recently updated and very clean. We had extra towels and the all-important for 2020 extra toilet paper in the vanity. While the vanity didn't offer much counter space, we were able to make do. I forgot to film this, but there was a hotel-style shampoo, conditioner, and body wash dispenser in the shower. The door that leads to the shared back patio area that has a small table with 2 chairs. You'll see that a little later. Going back into the bedroom, if the camera will focus, you can see the bed with a nightstand and lamp on each side, which is very nice if you've ever stayed somewhere where only one side has a nightstand. In the closet there's an iron and ironing board that I unfortunately had to use on a few occasions. Walking back into the living room, you get a better view of the sofa. I believe this sofa has a hideaway bed in it, but with just the 2 of us, we had no reason to check. There was a nice closet right here that had some extra linens and a first aid kit. We used this closet to store some of our stuff and the extra pillows from the bed. We had a little dinette table in the kitchen and a nice stainless steel appliances, but unfortunately no dishwasher. Here's the Keurig that Melissa made good use of and some snacks that were left for us. Here's the reason I'm doing a voiceover. It's 3:26 in the morning. There were people in the other unit, so we were being as quiet as possible. The next morning I went out and filmed the outside of the unit. Here's the bedroom window, plenty high enough off the ground so you don't have to worry about people looking in on you. And here's the little back porch with the table and chairs. We noticed that lizards love this retaining wall. There'd be several running up and down the wall every time we went outside. Walking back around to the front of the unit, you can see the small parking pad. Since the parking pad was narrow, I found it easier to back in instead of just turning from the road. This kept a tire from falling off the pad since no one wants to replace a tire while on vacation. Here's the front of the duplex. We stayed in unit 1157 on the left. This area was super quiet, with not a lot of traffic up and down the road. We really enjoyed our stay, and we will definitely be back to this area. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to give us a like, and if you would like to interact with us, please do so in the comments section down below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell.